Hi Saniki fam. Today I'll be creating a lampshade. Watch and enjoy. In this video I'll be using toilet paper, balloon, school glue with water added. So I'm going to mix the school glue with water. Here I'm going to paint the balloon with the school glue, and then I'm going to break the toilet paper or the tissue, and I'm going to add it onto the balloon, and then I put some more glue over it for it to stick to the balloon. I'm gonna do this until the entire balloon is covered with toilet paper. This is it, guys, and now I'm gonna leave it to dry for a couple of hours. It is now dried, and this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna burst the balloon and remove it from the inside. So now, guys, I'm gonna attach some light to the inside. Now this is how it looks, guys. This is how it turned out beautifully. Yes, my lampshade. This is a different light. I can change the light. So this is the white light, and Now you're gonna see the light that I place in there, the colored one, and this is it. This is how beautiful it turns out. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye guys.